Namaste, I am V. Tanish Aprajit from Sri Badalchan Sugankaur Chodia, Vivekananda Vidyalaya Higher Secondary School in Muduchur. So, the project I made is called the FFD, which stands for Firefighting Drone. So, let us see where it can be used and the problems. So, this drone is mainly used to extinguish fires, and fires can be classified into two types: natural fire and man-made fire. So, natural fires are which gets ignited by a natural source like lighting or volcanic eruptions. Man-made fires can be ignited by careless smoking and fireworks. So, this is the reason why I have made this drone. So, let us see the components I have used in this drone. So, I have used a drone frame, BLDC motor, which stands for brushless DC motor, 8" by 4.5" propellers, and this board is used to control the flight of this drone, and the dropping system, which I use servo motor and a pin and some wires to make it. So this is the transmitter and receiver. Let us see the working of this drone. So the basic working of this drone is that it drops a fire extinguisher ball into fire, which explodes and extinguishes the fire. The fire extinguisher ball mainly consists of carbon powder. So this is the main working of this drone. Let us see the advantages of this drone. So these are very powerful motors, and it can travel up to 60 kilometers per hour. And so when it travels 60 kilometers per hour, it can cover 1 kilometer in 1 minute. And the range of this transmitter is 5 kilometers. And it can drop the fire extinguisher ball, and we can maneuver it into deep forests. So next, let us see the working of the dropping system. So these are some lights that I have attached for some looks. So here's the channel 6 of the transmitter. As you can see, the servo is moving over here. So this is just to replace the fire extinguisher ball. As you can see, I'll put it here and I'll lock it, and it is locked. So you can see that it's now hanging. So when I twist the channel 6 of the transmitter, it gets dropped. So this is the working of the firefighting drone. So let us see the disadvantages of this drone. So the main disadvantages of this drone is that it can only carry up to 2 to 3 balls per flight, and since it carries a heavy ball, the battery life reduces by a bit. So the future things that has to be implemented are, we can make a 24/7 working ground station which runs on wind and solar energy, that will keep the drone charged 24/7 and be ready for any emergencies. And we can make this drone automated so that it can automatically go into the GPS location and sense the fire using flame sensors and drop the fire. So we have come to the conclusions of the drone. The final thing, if this gets implemented, we can save a lot of lives, and thank you. Let us see the flight test of this drone.
Start பண்ணு.
நேத்து போட்டுரு கீழே இருக்கு. ஹேய் இறக்கிடுறா.